KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from ebonyline.com, and this one is Outre's PERLA. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this gorgeous unit, this crimp style unit from Outre, and her name is PERLA. I have it in the color 1 and I am feeling her all the way. I do love the crimps on this and it looks very cute. So let's get into the specs of this unit. So this unit name is PERLA and she is 22 inches in length. As you all can see here, she is quite long and she is on my bust. She isn't quite past it, but she's literally on the bust here. So she does have a nice length. And the density on this is very nice. It is not too thick or too thin, so it does come in a nice type of, density right in the middle. This unit comes with 3 combs, 2 at the parting space, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and this also comes with baby hairs. As far as any special colors that they do have several special colors, so be sure to go check that out on Ebony Line. They have every color in stock, so go ahead and get it quickly because I know this color, especially the color 1, will be sold out so fast. So please go ahead and check out the link down below. If you're seeing this later on, I'm sure they will still have it, but I will keep you all updated as far as the colors go. If you are interested in any other colors, they do charge an additional $3. So if you are looking into something, other than black like I have here, you will be paying an additional $3 on this unit, so you could go ahead and check that out. The stock card has the colors that they displayed in their featured colors, which will be the burgundy as well as the brown, and it's looking very pretty on the model here. And the parting space on this wig lays super flat. I went ahead and make it a little flatter because it was looking a little humpy on my head for some reason. My hair is braided down pretty flat, so I don't know what went on there. But when I took it out of the packaging, it was very, very flat. And also the lace on it is extremely transparent, so it's very easy to tint. If you have that lace tinted spray, it will help it looks even more natural. I added my powder to the parting space, and the parting space literally stops at the crown of my head, so you do get a lot of parting space there. This is not a frontal unit, this is just a middle part unit, so this is how the wig will look. You cannot put it in any other side, like to the left or to the right. You can only wear it as a middle part. So if you are not interested in middle parts, I guess this wouldn't be for you, but I am loving her. I do love the crimped pattern on this wig, and this is the end of the hair, so it is throughout the wig. It's not just straight at the end, so that's what I love about it. Also, I do like this wig. It is such a pretty wig, and I highly recommend that you all check this one out. So thank you so much, Ebony Line, for reaching out to me to review this unit. And if you're interested in purchasing from Ebony Line, the link will be down below to purchase. Keep in mind that there will be free shipping on orders $70 and over. And if you're just purchasing this wig, this will be a flat rate shipping. So please be sure to add $3.99 onto the cart when you go out to check out. The code will be $3.99 so that you all can get that flat rate shipping over orders $30 or more. So definitely go ahead and check that out. I am loving this wig. PERLA is that girl, and please be sure to go and check it out because these colors, especially the black, will not be lasting long. So please be sure to go ahead and do that and purchase your wig. Thank you so much, Ebony Line, and thank you all for subscribing to this channel. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to click on that notification bell as well. And you can follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.